Yes, and welcome to another episode of Behind the Closed Doors. And today we are going to Unique Photo in New Jersey. Why? Well, I'm doing a speak there for about, an hour and a half. And we're going to talk about everything about lighting, what inspires me. And of course, we're going to do a live shoot and there are Q&As. It's only 90 minutes. It's going to be intense. So join us for today's episode of Behind the Closed Doors. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button because we really like that. From New Jersey, okay, I'm outside at Unique Photo and they even have their own food trucks. It's about 20 minutes, half an hour before I have to do my seminar. And I just went through the Hensel system and it looks really, really impressive as you saw in the video. Batteries are really easy to change and the mount is also really easy to change. So, who knows, maybe in the future. So, half an hour, 20 minutes left and then we're gonna do the seminar. The cool thing is it's gonna be streamed live on YouTube. So, if you're watching this, you could have seen it on YouTube. We're almost ready. Nadine is almost ready. We're gonna start off with a seminar on my work. Then we're gonna do a live shoot and a Q&A.
Do you see me standing here? I got nothing without you but fear. In the end we'll see a change. Only love lasts, only love remains. And I let go when time is right. You got nothing left to lose tonight. In the end, we'll see a change. Only love lasts, only love. In the night we shall go in. Will you follow me down, 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 down? It's the crime of the century. We fight for the reason honoring everyone we left behind. Till the light is brought back to every kind. Give me everything you got. Let's see.
Okay, and that was the seminar at Unique Photo. It was jam-packed and the people were absolutely awesome and we had a great time. Got some really cool images. And that Hensel stuff really works nice. Now at the end I'm actually using, I call it the light stick, but they actually call it, I believe, the candlelight. It's absolutely awesome. You have this really small stick and you can actually use barn doors on it and really narrow that light down, which is something that I absolutely love to do. So for now, that was the vlog. We're gonna, well, look around a little bit and have dinner and of course edit everything for you guys. If you like what we do, please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below and of course smash that like button. The next vlog will be about our workshop in Little Falls this Sunday. Thank you so very much for watching, guys, and see you again next time. Bye bye.